Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with the body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to another installment of a few days in my life. If you are new here, and I hope you will click that subscribe button if you have fallen in love with this face and become a part of this family.
Nothing apart from you. No, no. You're my lifeline. 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 You're showing forgiveness and loving your children. I can do nothing apart from you. No, no. Speaking your word and being able to listen. I can do nothing apart from you. No. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline. You're my lifeline.
The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe?
Hi guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. I realize I haven't been speaking much to you guys, but I've also come to the realization my life is actually very boring, hey? Like there's nothing interesting, and you don't want, like I was saying, my life is not that interesting, guys, and I don't want to have repetition, just showing you guys things I've looks like that's all I'm about, and that's not the case, you know. But if basically there's nothing interesting. I don't want to bore you with the same thing over and over again. But it's not that I don't want to vlog, it's just that I cannot only for the same content, guys. I think I'm just trying to see what else can I offer, and I don't know if there's anything much more. It's not fair, and you know, it's so funny how the channel is growing despite me not posting. And when I say growing, I don't gain followers even though I'm not posting anything. So I feel like it's just not fair for people that are out there and just like waiting to say, hey Masaho, when are you? We miss you on the Red app. But like, guys, I don't know, maybe you guys must see more of in this channel. Like, what kind of content would you like me to share? Because I'm running out of ideas here. And I think the other thing maybe that calls for a life update is I used to be home quite a lot, but now I'm going to the office more often in the week. So I find that besides me showing you my outfit for the day, then there isn't really much happening, you know. So I don't know, you guys must tell me. Yeah guys, sorry, I was driving, so I just figured out, let me just drive and get home. And then I'm just parked outside. So I was just, like I was saying, guys, I just need ideas of what else do you want. I want to hear from you guys. What would you like to see more of in this channel? Just drop a hint there in the comment section. But yeah, I just got back home. I went to the Grove Mall, and I want to show you what I got to go rain. I actually want to try their products out. It was a recommendation from my brother. I'm guessing from his girlfriend, but he took credit for it. But anyway, I bought a few items that I want to put around the house, just to make the house smell good, especially in the bathrooms and then the living area as well. So I will do that with you. And this was my outfit for today. Just wearing my blazer from Zara. The top is from H&M and the denim is also from H&M. Just wearing my slippers because I've already changed. But yeah, I didn't do a whole look for you guys, but that's the look. Let's do a quick unboxing, guys. So I'll start with the star of the show, which is, or are these gorgeous lamps from a surprise home. Definitely overdue, Shem. I have been wanting and wanting and wanting. So they are finally home. These I'm gonna put in my bedroom. I will show you once I've styled them. Evening, guys. So you saw me earlier. I went to rain. So I just want to quickly show you the stuff that I got. The shop smells absolutely amazing. But yeah, this is a diffuser, and I chose the fragrance Karoo. So I'm trying everything out. So I wanted to show you guys and then review how I feel about the smell and how long it lasts, and then I'll let you guys know as well. So just wanted to come out here and open it up with you and show you. Let's see, this was, does it not have a price on here? I don't remember. I'll have to look at the receipt. How do you open this thing? I think I need both hands, but let me open the other ones. So they also have bath salts, and these they weigh for you, so you choose how much you want. So I chose the scent, does it have here? Passion. And the other scent I chose was lavender. So what the lady actually advised me to do was to actually, because I was like, why, it smells so amazing in here. And she said, you know, a good thing to do is to actually just put your salts in your bathroom, open like that. It will actually smell amazing. So I'll show you what I got at Master Price so that I can, how I'm going to display these bath salts. And I also bought this, guys. This, I had such a nostalgic moment with this because I remember my grandmother used to have this. It just took me it took me back, yeah. But yeah, what do you even call this thing, guys? Yeah, we call it khetsi that went to Harvard. And then these are just the reeds for the diffuser. These are so cute. And then I just bought the diffuser refills for the existing diffusers that I have. So I got a Moroccan rose one. And I think she closed it. I'll open this one just now. And then she also advised me to try this body butter. Intense hydration, coconut and shea butter. It feels absolutely amazing. I put this on my hands, and it's winter, so my skin tends to get very dry. So I really want to try this out, and then I'll let you know how I feel about it. Okay, so I also bought burner oils. This is in the flavor Savannah. And I also got Karoo. So I'm gonna try these out. This was $241 and this was $262. So I'm really, it's winter, and you know we tend to keep the house closed more because obviously it's cold. So I'm trying to really get a nice and warm wintry scent around the house. So I'll put one, I'll burn one oil burner upstairs and then another one downstairs. But yeah, I'll tell you how these smell. And then yeah, this was the diffuser, and then that will go with these reeds, clean reeds. I'll just decant this into one of my other diffusers. And then I also got this cute spoons, also from Rain. I think these were going for 25 bucks, that I'm gonna just style and put with the bath salts. So yeah, let me quickly unbox them. I think I bought 2 of these. Let me quickly unbox the Mr. Price one, unless if you guys want to know also the prices for these. So the diffuser, how did we get to 2.4, guys? The shea butter is 362. It's a bit pricey. Yeah, but these are the prices. Guys, it's so amazing how the 2 something and 1 something and 3 something can total 2.4, guys. Money is scam. Actually, I think it's scam. It's true. Okay, let me quickly unbox these Mr. Price goodies. These are actually, I think they call them glass pillar holders. So these are for candles, I suppose. But what I plan on doing with these is to actually put the bath salts in here and then just rest the spoon there and then just leave them like that in the toilets, in the bathrooms, for that smell while I burn the oil. So yeah, I think this is gonna look really cute. Absolutely, this is beautiful. So I bought 4 of these. I think I might have to go back to get more bath salts, because it looks like just 1 jar, it will tell a 1 pack here the bath salts. But I'll show you how I plan on styling these. What else did I get at Mr. Price? I then got another burner. This was 79 bucks. This is so cute. And I bought a black one as well. So the black one will go nicely with the spoons. This was actually cracked, guys. Judge me all you want. This was the last one that they had. Not too hyped up about the face. I don't think it was necessary. But it was the only one that was left, and it was the only black burner actually. Let me say that. And if you can see closely, I don't know if you can see, but there's a crack here going up. And the guy was like, hey, but this was going for 89 bucks or 90 rand. I got it for 50 bucks. It was on markdown, but I think it's because of the crack. And the guy was saying, are you really buying this for 50 bucks? And I was like, do you want to give it for me for free? I don't think so. I don't think so. And I needed a black oil burner, but yeah, this will just have to do for now. I will handle it with care. I think that's about all I got from Mr. Price. So I'm gonna quickly decant the salts and go style the bathroom downstairs, and then I'll come and style my one. Guys, please bear with me. Please bear with me. I told you guys for my tripod broke, so I am goish. I think that's the other thing that's making me so lazy to vlog, because yeah, I'm struggling. I'm really struggling. Just opening this pack. Like we don't. Yeah, they close them like we're not gonna open them anymore. So I just want to decant this, and this is the lavender. Then I'll just put the spoon there. Let it rest. It's already smelling amazing. This passion flavored bath salts are the ones, ne? Yo, if you ever undecided about which flavor to choose, I promise you, the scent is the one. This absolutely smells amazing. I'm not too convinced about the lavender. It smells nice, but I think passion takes my heart. So I think if I were to go back there, I'll definitely get this one. Just gonna decant it in there. you'd ask, why do I buy the spoons if I'm actually using these salts to decorate, or for the smell? But I mean, I'm thinking if I have it by my bathtub, if I ever do want to soak myself in it, I can just put a spoon or two, and also aesthetically pleasing. So yeah. So the plan is to have the diffuser downstairs, and then just supplement the diffuser with an oil burner. Maybe burn it in the morning just for a good smell, and then maybe late in the afternoon as well, you know. So it's also a good idea to maybe have a burner in the house when you're having guests and you actually want your house to be smelling great. You just burn it as your guests arrive. Then you can save your oil, you know. So yeah, it smells absolutely amazing. Guys, a donation a tripod, please, or at least get me monetized so that I can buy my own tripod. I think they could do better in terms of the bottle, the packaging, or maybe when I put this, it'll change the look. Yeah, I feel they could have done better, but this smells absolutely amazing. I think I found a new use for these pillar stands, guys. I think this absolutely works.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing you were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
What is it? What does it say?
My name.
What's that? Thank you, Mama. Can I get a hug? Can I get a hug today? Happy Mother's Day, Coco.
11 miles on an off day, and your shadow to the coast.
Oh, thank you, Mama. What's in here?
Comfy room.
Oh, look, that's a 5. Forever set. Of gentlemen.
5 more to go.
And so please don't use them. Thank you.
Keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner, so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner, so that I could not forget. The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe? Not a perfect man, but I
Asiakali nakashiya ke thoma no a ke a gago ya
Go mute. That's a voice over.
ba ke re re
What is it? Baka fela line ko mo wone fela mosadi wa mopedi o nkileng ka mmona wa kgonang go etsa makala. We won. Mara the rest
no ga se pisana le ga le bo bogolo bo tswa bo le bo botsana you're not only wara I'm not decorating food here
a tea bag. That I'm going to like this.
But it's not real.
In case you guys are wondering, I got this spray from Builder's Warehouse. It's for your indoor plants. If you want to give the leaves that shiny, glossy look. So this was the before and after I've sprayed the gloss on the leaves. Actually makes them look pretty even indoors. Guys, I have a hectic morning. Kids are home, didn't go to school, so yeah, kunzima yazrimetswe. So and the lady that's doing my nails, I've got a house call. She's fixing my nails. I need to do my eyelashes, yo. I also need to remove this wig and wash my hair and do lines. Got like I need a whole day, maintenance day, but yeah, we'll do that in this week. And this is my fit for the day. Okay, so this is an almost sponsored video by H&M, but everything is from H&M except the shoes. Top blazer pants from H&M and the shoes are from Zara.
welcome to your YouTube channel
Welcome to my channel. We are trying oysters.
we are
like
trying
things.
oysters
Yeah. So we are at 40, what?
42
Yeah. So me and Shade are gonna try oysters.
and we're having
we're having virgin cocktails because we are on jute.
going back to work shortly. I so like seafood. He doesn't.
Okay.
So you're gonna.
If it's a thing, that's all. If it's a thing.
Yeah. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my. Yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. She said she need me like heartbeat. Drive me the bed like a RV. Hugging the curves on that body. She bring the heat like wasabi. Promise not to test your heart. We just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you the best by far. Always got the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you. All I need is you.
This was a first.
Ewe muleji.
10 out of 10.
Right next to me. Moji mule
The
na
oysters, I'll give them an 8 out of 10. But the sushi definitely.
I think what I liked about the oysters
Mami venaki.
The combo. Yeah.
it was definitely
That was nice. Okay, guys, we're going back to work because the
Loving
legend
your
cocktails
vibe,
didn't do
girl.
anything for
That
us.
energy got me going.
Good morning, everybody.
That thing so
Welcome back to another day in
vibrant.
this vlog.
Keys to your
So this
heart,
is my
baby
world.
girl. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila,
Which is a
vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila.
tripod, but I'm gonna have to do with what I have for now. Yeah, so let's quickly do that. So the aim here is to basically get rid of medicine that's expired and everything that does not belong in here. Yeah. So I actually think I need organizing trays or something to make it look more neat, but I'm gonna try and see how I can do this, and then yeah, I will show you how it goes. I wanted to show you these guys. I bought these latex disposable gloves because you can use them around the house for, they've got a few uses. So in food preparations, for example, if you are maybe marinating your meat and you don't want the paprika to go onto your nails, these are the gloves that you can buy, because these are for food prep as well, for gardening, personal beauty care, pet care, hygiene, cleaning, hobbies, and DIY jobs. So yeah, these are multi-purpose gloves. I got these from Spa, and yeah, so I'm just going to be cleaning my cupboards, and because I'll be using Domestos and other Hush products, I will be wearing these just to safeguard my nails. I feel like I'm a doctor. Okay, so my cleaning is obviously sunlight liquid, dishwashing liquid. I've put jig already in here. This also helps with my dishcloths so that they do not turn brown. Then I'm going to go in with a bit of bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. Then I'll just put hot water.
You don't care what you're doing to me.
To show you everything that I've managed to do.
I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away.
Clean up this drawer.
You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning. Maybe then it would show me that you care. 'Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls right